Alright, so we just ground the seat of the valve to sink it deeper. So we're going to set it up in the block here, and we're going to test it again. So I get a stack of feeler gauges to guesstimate about where my clearance is going to be, somewhere to start. Set up my clamp, and I'm going to clamp the valve down and set it against its seat. And I use this clamp to make sure it's tight, so there's no question whether it comes out right. Now I can't pull those feeler gauges out, so that means I need a little less. So we're going to change a couple of them. And we're going to try it again. So I changed the stack of the feeler gauges. I removed about 5 thousandths from what I just tested. So I put 5 thousandths less in. And I tighten the valve up again. And now I can pull it out. So I know that it's going to be in between the two specs. So I'm going to remove 7 and put 10 in, so I'm going to add 3 more, and we're going to see where that comes out. And that should be pretty darn close to exact what the clearance is. Okay, that's nice and tight. I can just pull it out, so that's the clearance. So I measure up my stack, and I have 55 thousandths, which is the number I was shooting for. So now what we have is, this is set up proper, is that hydraulic lifter is compressed to within 55 thousandths of bottoming out in the lifter bore. So what that calls for is 30 to 70 thousandths clearance. 50, 55 is about right in the center of the spec, and that's where this one came out to. So that's how you properly set up the valves and hydraulic lifters on a pure serial motor or an early engine with that type of lifters. This same routine works for Cadillac, and it also works for 8-cylinder and 12-cylinder pure serial the same.